If you're living in the US, you might notice that the air quality has become really bad in the last few days. We're dealing with smoke from wildfires as well as really, really high pollen counts. So even if you don't have allergies, you might be suffering from just allergens in general. Last night, I was really, really suffering, and I decided to try something that I wanted to share here today because it provided me like instant relief and over 6 hours of relief. So I'm going to be sharing this cocktail with you that I made that really helped me out. So you start off with about 4 ounces of organic orange juice, quarter teaspoon of cream of tartar or potassium, quarter teaspoon of the Celtic Sea Salt, a dropper full of the Ashwagandha Tincture, and give it a good stir. Pour and enjoy 2 to 3 times a day. And let me know how it works for you. I'd really be interested.